Hi, this is a quick tutorial on adding and editing your video clips. So down here, I have the tracks for audio, video on video 2, and then you can go ahead and if we want more tracks, which you may, we can hit this plus button and it'll ask us if we want to add a track for video, basically a visual or an audio, and we can add additional tracks down here. I would start on video 1. One thing to keep in mind is that they layer in the way that they're ordered. So it's like layering one on top of the other. So the first thing we want to do is get your video edited before we do any sort of backgrounds or newsroom or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this video that I have here, the green screen, and I'm just going to drag it down. And I'm going to put it right here on top of video 2. We're going to save video 1 for the background. So go ahead and put your video in video 2. Now you can see here that it is, you can see on the timeline, it's about 13 seconds long. When I hit play, which I can do by the space bar, or I can press play here. I can see my video. Now, when I want to cut out or I want to trim, I know we talked about being able to edit your video. Let's say I want to go back and I want to be able to cut out until I get into the screen. Okay, so let's say that I want to pause it right there. Okay, and I can do play and pause over here, or I can use the space bar. Once I get that blue line where I want it, I can go ahead and I can hit this cut or this split symbol right here. And that's going to segment, or it's going to split my video clip in two. So now I can select that part at the beginning that I don't want, and I can delete that. I can either press the backspace button to delete it, or I can right click and delete it. Now I'm going to hit play again and play some more.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's say I want to trim off the back when I leave. Right there. So I'm going to stop it again right there. And again, I'm going to hit the scissors, and that's going to split it in half. And I'm going to select that chunk that I don't want and hit backspace. Now I just have that chunk that I want, and I can move it around wherever I want to. Notice in my library up here, I still have the full clip if I accidentally mess something up. So we can come down here and do that. So the first thing that we want you to do is edit those videos and line them up down here in video 2. So whatever order you want, go ahead and get those down here, edit them, and then line them up together so it plays one continuous video from one to the other to the other. Okay, so that is adding and editing video.